Again, I'm glad to connect with you. Today, we'll be talking about don't undermine but align. Yes, you want to parent with your partner, but you want to do away with undermining the strength you have got, but aligning with your partner. While I started intentional parenting, I knew what my strength is as a person, which is different from that strength of my husband. But we had to sit down and align these things together, as there is no room for competition, but we had to complement ourselves. And this is why you must look through your journey as a person, identify what your strength is, and don't jettison it. Do not undermine it, but what should you do? Embrace it. Embracing it will help you to be able to bring out the best in you and even in your parenting journey. But one thing that will help you is to sit down with your partner and align your strengths together, which then becomes the strength of the family. This is why we always would advise that you should have your family vision put together. We started by having our family vision crafted together, and we began to walk our journey intentionally based on the family vision that we by. The family vision is also written, pasted in our living room. We teach the children day by day. That's like our policy for living. When they go wrong, we also call them back to what we believe as a family, to tell them that this does not align with our family value system. What do you want to do? You want to sit with your child and align with them on what your family values are. But you must do this together with your partner, because you must have one voice. This is why you must not correct your partner in the presence of your children. If you do, you would make them disrespect your spouse. You can team up together as husband and wife by correcting yourself in the private, while you team up together to reinforce what you try to teach to your children. I'd like you to slide into my DM and share with us your parenting challenges and book a 15 minutes clarity session with me, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for joining me today. Have an amazing day.